a brand new elephant exhibit that's many times larger than their old exhibit.
Bull is actually 28 years old, and that's twice as long as he would live in the wild.
Yay! Lions are coming here to the zoo.
People don't only need medicine, they need friendship and fun experiences like coming to the aquarium.
I love when the boys ask a lot of questions, get really, really excited. This is the place to do it.
It's always an exciting day when we get to take an animal that was injured, sick, and put him back into the wild where he belongs.